Hey guys, welcome back to TechTube. I hope you guys are alright, and into this video I'm going to show you how to filter anime in Crunchyroll. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to filter your anime in Crunchyroll, you just simply have to open your Crunchyroll application at first, and after opening the Crunchyroll application, it will give you so many options. Now into here, you just simply have to click into this browse option, and after going into the browse option, you will get this icon into here from where you can filter your animes. Just simply click into that icon and then you can choose if you want to see only series or only movies, and if you want to see all of them. And after that, you can also filter the languages from here. If you want to watch the anime with Japanese language with the subtitle, or dubbed anime into any other languages, or both of them. And after choosing this option, just simply click to this update filters, and then your anime into Crunchyroll will be filtered. By following these very easy steps, you can easily filter out animes into your Crunchyroll. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the videos.